Sullivan specialise in the supply and integration of critical power into business environments across the UK and Europe. We design and manufacture a range of UPS switchgear which has been independently tested and approved to give customers the confidence to incorporate it into their installations. We're going to run through the electronic interlocking on our external maintenance bypass switch. In normal operation, the manual bypass breaker is opened and can't be closed. The interlock key is turned to send a signal to the UPS switch to static bypass. The blue light illuminates. The switch sends a signal forcing the UPS to static bypass. The manual bypass breaker is closed, UPS output breaker opened, and the engineer can now shut down the UPS, open the input breaker and work safely. Once work is complete, the process is reversed. The engineer closes the output breaker and reopens the manual bypass breaker. The key is turned back to normal, sending a signal to the UPS to allow the inverter to restart. When this happens, the blue light turns off. The interlock will now, once again, prevent incorrect switching. Our smart EMBS has been designed to simplify the switch to bypass whilst safeguarding the user and the supported load. The engineer can choose the required mode by scrolling through the menu. When the user presses OK, the switch sends a signal forcing the UPS to static bypass. The smart controller will prompt the user with the next action. In this case, the process is complete and the switch indicates test mode. This sends a signal to the UPS to allow the inverter to restart. Once the switch is performed, the new status is displayed. In addition to test mode, the user can place the system in full bypass or even shut down the UPS using the smart controller.